Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 14th of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I'm doing this video for. Now let's quickly see what we have for you this week. Now what I see for you here is you have the 8 of Wands, the 9 of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Your person has the 2 of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. So that's a couple, okay? That's a pair that I see on the spread. Now, bottom of the deck, I have the Magician card. So either you or your person is currently in that energy where you are commanding the universe to go ahead and do things in your favor, okay? So that's the energy that one or maybe both of you are also having, okay? That's what I see. Now what I also go ahead and see is with this 8 of Wands energy, you definitely can expect a lot of communication coming in towards you. Now this communication could be something that will give you a lot of anxiety, a lot of tension. You will have some sleepless nights. However, having that being said, you will want to have a very honest conversation with them. So when you're having that conversation, when that communication comes in, okay, you definitely will feel a little bit of anxiety, but with that you would also want to have a lot of honesty, okay, from the other person, where you want to know all the facts. Now this person currently is in the 2 of Pentacles energy. With that, they may be juggling 2 situations, and that is the reason why they are in this very dicey situation, and they're not very sure what to do, because I see we have a pair here, okay, that is possible, okay, that this person is already committed to somebody who is really well off, okay, and you could be the third person, okay, and that's again for very few of you, and it could be that they are with this person because of the money, okay, and they're already committed to them, and they are also having feelings for you, and that could be because they have the emotional connection with you. Now that's again for very few of you, so only take it if it resonates, okay, but for the others I see that they are, yes, juggling 2 situations or 2 people, and with one of them they have a very steady committed relationship, and that's all because it's very materialistic, okay, there's a lot of money involved somewhere with the other person. Now let's take one card here to understand the intention of this person for this particular week. So let me just take one card. Spirit, help me with one card here, please. All right, the intention of the person, if you see, is the 3 of Swords. So yes, for a lot of you there could be a third party situation which will cause in a lot of heartbreak, okay. So again, this is just a heads up. If that's your situation, I would say have that conversation with them, and it's best that you go ahead and take a big leap of faith and move forward with your life. Now let's take one more card. All right, I see the star energy, so you could be dealing with somebody who's an Aquarius. All right, this person definitely sees you as the wish fulfillment, okay. With that being said, they will have to first sort out their life. If that's the case that they are involved with 2 people, they'll have to sort out that first and only then come to you. Let's take one more. Yes, that's the devil energy, okay. So if you see, there's some devil energy here, something negative which will cause them a lot of heartbreak, but in between is this love that both of you feel, and that's the wish fulfillment that they are looking for, but that can't happen till this time person doesn't come out of this devil energy. All right, now let's take one more card here to understand what's the crystal message for you and what's the message from archangels for you this week, okay. Let's take one more card here. Help me with one more card here, please. All right, the crystal that I see for you is the magenta dyed agate. The crystal message is, are you seeking unconditional love? You really want others to demonstrate the love they have for you. Show your love for others and know you are loved. You are well loved by many. Allow love. Be a receptacle for all that is in love. Love is your natural state. Now the message from Archangel Zadkiel, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.